What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're getting ready to do a little something to this rock island. All right, so this is a 10 millimeter M1911 A2 TAC Ultra HC, which is a long way of saying this is a double stack 10 millimeter 1911 made by Rock Island. All right, so I got this because one, they look pretty cool to me. Two, because it had a threaded barrel, and I was like, I could probably do something with that. And three, I just wanted to go ahead and customize a couple of these because I have the 45 version of this as well. And I'm thinking that I'm going to go ahead and get the 40 and go ahead and get the 9 millimeter as well. Go ahead and get all four of them. Maybe even get a little baby one, so we shall see. But as for now, let me show you guys something. All right. Here is my Canic Rival S. All right. And yes, I put the 4.5 blast on this because they make it for it, and I'm like, let's see what it looked like, and I think it turned out pretty good. Everybody called this gun RoboCop, so I like this. And here is my Beretta M9A4, the War Chief, and it had a threaded barrel, so I put the factory compensator on here as well because it had a threaded barrel, and I don't leave my guns alone. I always do something to the weapons. All right, so might as well go ahead and do something here to the 10 mil. So let's go ahead, get a better look at this gun. All right, here we go. So here we have the Rock Island 10 mil. Take the magazine out. She is empty. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take this thread protector off. And there is the threaded barrel. Here is the new muzzle device that I'm going to put on it. And this right here is a square compensator. And this gun right here has the same thread pattern as a 45, which is 0.528 by 0.578 by 28. I believe it is. Yes, hit me in the comments, tell me if I'm wrong about that, but it's 0.578 by 28. So let's go ahead and put this on, which nothing more than screwing it on. And as you see, it has two Allen bolts on it. So you screw it till it can't screw no more, then you back it back in the battery. And let's see, it came with an Allen wrench. Let's go ahead and tighten these down. One side, the other side, and let me make sure I have this thing tight. There we go, got that one tight. Let's get this other side. There we go. Both of them are tight now. And I don't think I need to rotate it any. All right. There it goes. Let's see. All right. So that's what the 10 mil looks like with this particular compensator on it. This is one that's going to have to grow on me. I'm not sure how I like that right now. I am not sure how I like that. until I do a few more things to this gun, which is on the way. But as for now, I'm not sure how I like it. But you know what? We'll see. We'll see. Uh, Matter of fact, hit me in the comments. You guys tell me what you think about this. Is this leave it on or take it off? Leave it on or take it off? And this compensator, I believe, ran about $50. It was on eBay, is where I got it. And hold on just a second. This is where I got it from. Crafts KT Crafts. All right. So if you want to check them out, you can check them out. And like I said, this is same size that fits on the 45. It fits on the 10 mil as well. The threading is the same. The threading is the same. And this is just the first step that I'm taking. The first step in the journey that I'm taking this weapon on. All right. And like I said, maybe right now this is just a blank canvas, and it's like putting rims on the car before you paint it. That's pretty much what I'm looking at. Rims on the box Chevy before I put the paint job in the interior, and the engine. So it's just a little first step of the journey that I'm going to take this weapon on. So if you want to follow the journey that I take this and all these weapons on, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And also make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.